In Lesson 7, we take the static ontology and make it dynamic. Links define how objects connect. Properties to work order to technician. Without links, every object is isolated. With links, you click a property and see all its work orders instantly. Actions are operations users can trigger, like updating a status or assigning a technician. Object Explorer is where we verify everything is wired correctly. One property can have many work orders. Each work order stores a property ID as a foreign key pointing back to its parent property. This is how Foundry knows which work orders belong to which property. Creating a link means matching the foreign key in the child object to the primary key in the parent. The critical step is specifying which property on work order references which property on property. If the direction is wrong, use the swap button. Then name the directions. Work order to property is singular, property to work order is plural. This makes navigation intuitive. Same pattern for technicians. One technician can have many work orders, but each work order is assigned to one technician or none. Naming is bidirectional, so users can navigate both ways. Object Explorer is your debugging tool. If the link tab doesn't appear or is empty, the link isn't wired correctly. Common issues: foreign key spelling mismatch, primary key not marked, link on the wrong object type. 30 seconds of checking saves hours of frustration later. For our system, we need two actions: update work order status and assign technician. Both modify ontology data, so they need validation rules to prevent invalid changes. Each action needs clear input parameters. The status parameter is constrained to valid values. You can't set it to random strings. Validation runs at the ontology level, so bad input fails safely. Confirmation dialogues are optional but recommended for any action that modifies data. The assign technician action has a business rule. Don't allow reassignment if the work is already complete. Foundry lets you express this as a validation rule that runs before the action executes. The stack works like this. Objects at the bottom provide structure. Links enable navigation without queries. Actions let users modify data safely. At the top, widgets in Workshop trigger actions and display results. Each layer depends on the one below. 4 things cause 90% of link and action problems. Foreign key typos. Silent failures where the link looks fine but doesn't work. Null foreign keys. Incomplete data import. Overly strict validation. Blocking legitimate work. Wrong object type. Fundamental architecture mistake. Always test in Object Explorer right after creating a link. That's the essence of Lesson 7. Understand links and you can build any navigation pattern. Understand actions and you can build any operation. Object Explorer is your safety net. Never skip verification. Next lesson, we move from ontology to user interface. Workshop is Foundry's no-code UI builder, and by the end of Lesson 8, you'll have the skeleton of your operational dashboard. Finish your homework for Lesson 7 and mark complete. I'll see you in the next lesson.